So this morning while Jeremy's sleeping, I'm going around with spray foam and just spraying some cracks here. This is where the addition wall was put into the main house wall. So I just filled it with some spray foam. Now I'm going to go over to this door and I'm going to spray all in here. All the way up the door frame. This is what I'm using. This is what I'm using on the wall as the spray foam. Well, that's all done. Probably have to do all around the windows actually now and stuff, so get doing that. So now I've got the 3 windows done. I just finished that one. Moved over and did this one. Figured you guys can only watch me so much doing windows in my pajamas. Now I'm gonna go to the big door. Over here, the patio door, and get it all done. So I got all the shingles cut off. All here, here, all the windows. And that door. So that's 2 jobs done. We also got a couple more bags here of the bubble foil to go underneath where the extension is. So I'm going to take them out, get them out of here. Need to clear out some space in here to start doing the ceiling. I'm going to take them out and put them in the back shed. 2 bags there. That should do it. So that's all we're going to get done today. We really haven't done all that much this week, but on the weekend we were at the camper doing stuff, and then we came home Monday. Many of you know that Jeremy's sister had been sick and in the hospital. She was in there like 3 months and then got out last Tuesday, and then not the last one, we just had the one before that on Tuesday. Got out of the hospital and was out just only a week and ended up collapsing and needed to be taken back to the hospital by ambulance. So we had to rush down like 2 hours away to St. John on Tuesday to be with her, make sure she was okay and everything. So we spent a few more days in St. John, so we just haven't had a chance to do a lot this week. And I think that's all we're going to get done today is what I've done, and we have to head back to St. John. We also have a bunch of things to do in town there, so you know, we need more propane, more gas, so we'll head to Costco, get all that. We need to pick up another thing of rock salt, like I said, for this wall here, so we'll go grab that, and then tonight we're having supper with one of Jeremy's friends who's visiting from Alberta, so that'll be nice. And then we'll probably just spend the night at the camper and be back here in the morning, hopefully with the rock salt, and get a bunch of things done. So we shall see. So when we were in town yesterday, we went to Home Depot and picked up this vent. This is the same as the one we have on the other side of the house, so they'll match, which is nice. And then we grabbed another bag of this rock salt, rock wool, whatever it is, safe and sound. So that's what we use in between all the bedrooms, so that way it's super quiet. Like this place, even just before we had the addition, was 560 square feet, and if Jeremy was over in the bedroom in there, I could be out here and hardly hear him. So that's really awesome. That it's like such a bonus having that stuff. It's so much better. Here's a quick overview of the place. So I'm standing in the kitchen, that was always the kitchen, and looking into the addition. I want to put like a border right all around here and here, so it's like you're walking into another room instead of having it all just like flow perfectly. I kind of wanted like a bit of a border there. So we do have a bunch of stuff in here right now. We will move it, obviously, like I said, as we start doing the ceiling. But this is it right now. So yeah, what I'm going to do is put the rock saw right here. And then in the bathroom on the tops, there's a couple spots missing. And right here, missing. So yeah, I'll do that tonight. So now I'm in the addition looking into the other part of the house. The original part of the house. So there's just a lot more space. It's really awesome. Pretty nice in here. Like that's all taken apart, like, you know, because we were letting it dry. It'll be put back together really soon. But it's really coming together. We're really loving it. It is so hot. I have that fan going over there. It is like, oh, it's disgusting. It's like 35 or something today. It's so hot. Alright, so I'm going to get starting on the insulation, finishing it off. So I got all the rocks all done in the bathroom, all sides around here, so that's awesome that that's done. There's a little bit extra, so I'll probably just shove it in the exterior walls with the other insulation, because yeah, it's basically the same. It's just soundproofing, so I'll use it up, and excited to finally have that done. So maybe tomorrow, well, tomorrow's Sunday, so we may not do much, but if we do get to anything, it's probably going to be working on the soffit outside, getting that done, and or putting the vent in the top outside, as well as Tyvecking that last little part up there. And then hopefully really soon we will get to insulating the ceiling, because it is so grossly hot in here. So that would be really awesome. But all the, like, a bunch of the little things are getting done, which is really great. So we're getting there. So just stick with us as you watch us finish the addition and do all the interior of the addition and the main house. It's going to be fun. Jeremy mentioned we have a really cool light coming, and it's a fan, and it's we plug it right to the run it right to the battery, so that's going to be really cool. So we have lots of cool stuff coming your way. Continue to watch and follow along, like, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one.